How to use PhiCleaner to clean tracker PV power plants. First, you need to lower the inclination angle. PhiCleaner's autonomous cleaning even can operate at night, without affecting your PV power generation. Then you can place PhiCleaner at the starting point of the PV array and one button to start autonomous cleaning through APP AI-Kwun. E3 series models can cover all areas of cleaning in one turn. If you want to make cleaning more efficient, you can choose PhiCleaner E6-G equipped with 2.5 meters extra long roller brushes. When using PhiCleaner's autonomous water cleaning, you just need to manage the water pipe. PhiCleaner does not require any remote control or rely on artificial vision to plan cleaning path. Scientific autonomous cleaning path can fully cover PV panels at one time. No blind spots in the field of vision. No need for repeated cleaning. You don't have to worry about PhiCleaner falling off during the cleaning process, because we equipped it with ultrasonic sensing technology to prevent falling. PhiCleaner can autonomously turn, U-turn, and deeply clean PV frame stains. Keep your PV power plants as clean as new. We can also design a fully autonomous and unmanned dry cleaning solution for tracker PV power plants. If you are looking for cleaning solutions for your PV power plants, why not chat with us?